I greet you. How are you doing? Please, how are you doing? I'm waiting your participation. So we have this kind of exponential. It is in this form, it is e exponential power x. We're going to do this equation. Yes? So about this one, at the end of this equation, everyone should be able to solve any kind of these questions. Yes? That is why you have to follow. Don't lose your time, please. Be or point on this what you're going to do. Because at the end, you will be able to solve a kind of this equation. Now, you're welcome, please. Now, let us have this equation here on the chalkboard. You have to follow. We have this a kind of a question, please. At the end of this, everyone will be able to solve this kind of exponential equation. I invite you, please, to follow all steps that you are going to follow during solving this kind of equation. Please, for those who are new, you have to subscribe. It is also better to share this to your friends. Yes? Now let us solve that kind of exponential equation. Now, if you have given this kind of exponential, you see we have this term different, totally different with this one. What should we do here at this step? It is better to assume whether we should suppose this and this one, so that when we are supposing there's a two unknowns, it is how we are going to solve these equations easily or in a good way. Now let's suppose that let's take that this e power x equal to, for example, equal to a. Yes? Now also suppose this and ln y equal to, for example, t. You see? It is by supposing. So this, it will help us to solve this equation in easy way. Now, let us formulate our new equation by using those letters that we have supposed. It is simultaneously over 3. This e power x is equal to a. It is 3 times e power x, it is equal to a minus 2 power this ln y. We have supposed ln y is equal to t. In the place of this ln y, we have to put this letter t. It is equal to 13. Now the second equation, we have 5 times this e is equal to h plus 3 ln y. Ln y, we have supposed that is equal to this letter t. It is 3 times t, which is equal to 9. You see? Now we are going to solve this simultaneous equation by using any method that we need. Yes? Now in the comment, please, you have tried any method that we need. Are you together there? So now let us use any method at this equation. Please, I need your do like, please, like in that video that we are dealing with. I need your like there. Even if a comment, you have to write, tap your comment, please, and like. Now we are going to solve this by using which way? Let us use by elimination. Now by eliminating, let's write again this our equation here. We have 3h minus 2t, it is equal to 13, and 5h plus 3t is equal to 9. So now here we are going to use elimination method. How should we eliminate this simultaneous equation? Now we are going to take, let's eliminate this t. We are going to eliminate this t, means that we are going to multiply these on the first equation and these two on the second equation. So here, because we have a minus, here we have a plus, we don't need to multiply with a negative number, because if you have different signs, it will be easy to cancel those numbers. Now we are going to make a reverse of multiplying here 3 here on the first line, and I want to multiply these two on the second line. Let us continue. We still have, yes, we still have 3 times that 3, 8 is 9h. I'm sorry, it is 9h. Yes, 9h. 3 times this minus 2, 2t, it is minus 6t, which is equal to 3 times this 13, it is 39. Yes? Now the second line we have 2 times this 5h, it is equal to, it is 10h. Yes? 3 times this 2 times this plus 2t, it is plus 6t, which is equal to 2 times this 9 is equal to 18. Now you see, what we are going to do here, we are going to eliminate. We're going to eliminate those numbers which are similar. This you have minus, here plus, but this number with this t are equal to this number with this t. Both they have different sign. We are going to cancel those number. It is the way of eliminating method. Now we are going to eliminate this and this one. Yes, we remain with, it is here we have a plus and here we have a plus, t is 19h, which is equal to this. You have to add, there's a 2, we remain with 57. Now what is the next? We are going to find the value of that letter H. Now here, what is the value of this letter H? I'm asking you. The value of this letter H, A will be equal to 57 over 19. Now, finally, A will be equal to 57 over 19. It is equal to 3. Now, remember, it is not what we have asked. Remember that we have asked to solve this kind of e power x minus 2ln of y equal to 13 with this equation which are simultaneous. So now here we have supposed. Yes? What we are going to do here on our equation here, it is a letter A, it is equation. Yes, here you should take this no matter H, and they're going to find the value of t. How is the t? Let us take here. Let me come here. It is 3h minus 2t, which is equal to 13. Yes, now we are going to substitute this a by its value. It is 3 times 3 minus 2t, which is equal to 13. Yes? Now, how is the value of that t? The value of of t. How is it? How is the value of t? Now we remain with the 9. It is 3 times that 3 minus 2t, which is equal to 13. Now minus 2t, it will be 13. This 9 has a positive sign. It comes to the second member, means the sign will be changed into minus 9. Finally, minus 2t will be equal to, it is plus, because we are subtracting with different signs. You have to subtract those two numbers and write the symbol or write the sign which is on the biggest number. The biggest number, it is 13, it has a positive sign. Now it is plus this minus this one is equal to 4. Finally, t, it will be equal to 4 over minus 2. Then the value of t, it will be equal to minus 2. It is minus 2. Now, what is the next? Please, for those who are new, please subscribe. You have to subscribe, even if it is better to share what we are doing. Now remember, here we have seen A. It is 3, and t, it is minus 2. Yes? Now what we are going to do, remember at the beginning, we have said that e power x is equal to a, and ln y is equal to t. You see? That is what we are going to do there. Please, you have to follow. You have to follow. So here, if you have seen in those two roots, if there is any root which is negative, there you have to reject that root. I repeat again, if in those roots that you have seen, there is the one which is a negative, you have to reject it. It will be rejected at t equal minus 2 is rejected. It is because about in this exponential, it focusing on positive numbers, but you have seen negative numbers. We don't need this negative number. Only to focus on positive numbers. We remain with this edge. It is where we are going to find those remaining ones here. This y and this x. Now let's say that for a equal to this 3. Remember, we have two questions. We have to substitute at this question 1 and at this question 2. Yes? Please do it, please, personally, and you should see how is the answer. Please, there above, please, you have to like our lesson. Think about that one. Now, how is the next? So A is at e power x equal to letter A. Now, we are going to substitute this by its value where it is e power x, which is equal to A is equal to this 3. You have to write 3 here. Yes? Now, what is the next? What is the next? Remember, I told you, last time I told you about exponential properties. If you have, for example, ln of x plus ln of y, this will be equal to ln of x times y. If you have also ln of x minus ln of y, it will be equal to ln of x over y. Yes? Now we are at this step. It is most helpful. At this equation, we are going to multiply ln to both sides so that we need to avoid this x. Yes? Last morning, I told you how when we have, for example, 2x plus 1 is equal to, for example, 1. How should we avoid this one? We need to multiply the log of 2x plus 1. It is equal to log of 2 power 0. Now, this will come here. Clear? That is what we are going to apply here. It is ln of, we have to multiply ln to both sides so that we need to eliminate this power. Yes? Now it is ln of e power x, which is equal to ln of this number 3. Yes? Now how should we avoid this x? It will come here. This will come to this side. Now, let's clean there. Now, it is ln of e power x, which is equal to ln of this number 3. Yes? Now, this x will come here. It is x ln of e, which is equal to ln of 3. Remember, also I told you about the properties of ln. If we have, for example, ln of e is equal to 1. This is a most property. Yes? If you have ln of this e is equal to 1. Now back to our equation. This is ln of e. It is x times 1, which is equal to ln of this number 3. Now x will be equal to ln of 3. You see? This is the value of x. Now let us continue by finding the value of y. Yes? Now, the value of y please. The value of y we have, this is how ln of y is equal to t. Yes? Ln of y is equal to t. Then it is ln of the same, it is at for also still on for that. Yes, it was it. Also, we are going to find the value of that one. Now, how should we find the value of that? Yes, for t, which is equal for t, which is, yes, are you together? For this t, which is equal to minus 2, how are you going to find the value of this? It is at ln of y is equal to t. Now ln of y is equal to minus this 2. Now also, what are you going to do at this step? Who can tell us what are you going to do? Please, I need your support. What are you going to do here? What are you going to do here? Please, if you have a kind of this equation, you only multiply ln of e here. You see, we have to multiply this ln of e here. Now, we remain with ln of y, which is equal to minus 2 ln of e. Yes? Now, finally, what are we going to do? We need this e minus 2 be a power of this e. We need this minus 2 be a power of this e. Now it is ln of y is equal to ln of e power minus 2. Yes? Now you remember, here we remain with ln, and here ln, here we have 1, here we have 1. As I told you, you have to cancel this and this one. Finally, it is y which is equal to e power minus 2. Yes? So this is the value of y. As they asked to solve this in R square, when they ask to solve in R square, means that we have x and y. Yes? Now finally, as a solution, it is, where have we seen x? This is the value of x as a solution. It is ln over 3. And what is the value of y? This is the value of y. It is e power 2. Yes? Now, this is how to solve any kind of equation which is exponential, but also it is simultaneously. Yes? It is how to solve it, please. But for those who have a question about this, I think have been solved. Yes? Please, if there is another things that you need to learn from this, you have to write it in the comment. I'm going to solve another one, or I'm going to give you what you have to do personally and check whether what have you learned here is helpful. Let me come back. So let us continue, please. Let us continue. Let us continue. It was about how to solve in set of square, in R square. Let us solve another one. Solve for x. If we have e power x, yes, e power x minus 3 power e minus x plus 2 equal 0. This is also another exponential equation. So how should we solve this exponential equation? Now for this exponential equation, remember last time I told you about this. You see, about if you have a power, for example, minus x, this will be equal to, you have to change this one into reciprocal. Yes, please don't move. You have to change this one into reciprocal of 1 over h power x. You see? This is how we change this one to this one. Now, where we have this, we have to convert this one into this one. Where we have this, it is better also to change this into to this one. Yes? Now, let us continue. Yes, welcome for those who are new here. Someone called, hi, I'm from India. Someone saying 7. I'm from India. You're welcome. Yes, I obey you, please. Welcome. Try to subscribe. Try to do this. To do a like, comment, please. Another someone called Giant the grit, sir, what's above to the power of x, where above where it is, this is to the power of x, it is minus, this is, it is minus. Thank you for asking. Yes, it is minus here. Thank you. Now another one said joint, same, welcome, same, saving. Thank you, sir. Yeah, you are welcome. Please, those who from India, you are welcome. We are dealing with mathematics. Yes, please, if you are new, you have to subscribe. Also, it is better to share what we are teaching about. Yes, I see those who from India, you're welcome, please. You are welcome. Now let us continue. Let us continue by solving our equation. So I was saying that when we have, for example, here, I think you are observing here well. This is solved. When we have this kind of negative, it is a power minus x. You have to change this one into a reciprocal of 1 over a power x. This is what we are going to apply at this equation. Now, let me say this one, another new one. Yes, sir, where are you from? Yeah. Thank you, Saving. I am from Rwanda in Africa. I am from Rwanda in Africa. Yes, satisfied? I'm the one from Rwanda in Africa. So, joint below that, it is left side. This is one. This is one. You have to change this one into this. Yes? It is a power minus, this is minus, this is minus x. It is equal to 1 over a power x. Yes, thank you. Very good, 7. Yeah, you're welcome. Now let us continue. Please, if you are new, you have to subscribe. Also, it is better to share what we are doing in the mathematics course. Now, let us continue. For those who are new, please subscribe. You have to support me through subscribing. Now, and share it so that everyone should know what we are doing. Yes, have you seen this one? It is e power x minus, this is 3 times 1, this is times 1 over e power x. We changed this one into this, as I told you. I told you here something, remember, plus 2, it is equal to 0. Now, what is the next? Yes, you're welcome, please. Remember to subscribe. Let me see. Yes, understand. Very good. Thank you, Mr. Joint. I greet. Thank you very much. Understandable. Have a great sir. Yes, very good. Thank you. You're welcome, please. For those who are new, someone called notifier, but ice. You're welcome. If you are new, you have to subscribe. You have to subscribe. You have to support us, please. I need your support. Yes. Support, please. I need it, please. Yes, I explain about log function and graph. Very good. That is what I will do for the next time. About function, which is logarithmic function. I will explain them next time. Don't worry. For those who also are new, hello, not far but ice. Yeah, you're welcome. If you are new, please subscribe, please. Also, it is better to share this to your colleagues, and they should know what we are doing through our platform, which is Benjamin Mathematics. Now another one. Now let us continue. For those who are new, remember to subscribe. Now let us continue. As I told you, now what we are going to do, we are going to multiply these 3 and this one. Yes, we remain with e power x. This is exponential minus 3 over e power x plus 2 is equal to 20. Now, what we are going to do here? What are we going to do at this equation? Who can guess? So I need someone to guess. What are we going to do? Should we solve immediately? Who can tell us? What are we going to do, please? I need your suggestion. I need your support. What are you going to do at this equation? Yes, in the comment. Let me see. So can I tell about sin theta plus cosine theta derivative? It's out of topic, but I want to know if you can. Of course I can. Don't worry, I can, please. I will prepare courses about sine, as you said, about trigonometric derivative. Yeah, don't worry, please. Yes, you're welcome. I will do it, please. Now, another one, sir. What is the time over there? In there is 8 past 33 p.m. So now here in our country, Rwanda, it is 5 past 4 p.m. Here in Rwanda, are you observing here? Yes, let me write here in Rwanda, this is 5, let me write this one, it is 5 past 05 p.m. You see, we are now here at this time. It is 5 past 05 p.m. So, the one who said, another one is said that Surya Kumar, you are welcome, please. Please, if you are new, try to support us, please, by subscribing. It is better to share this video to another persons. Understandable, sir. Thank you so much. Can you say my name? Say my name once. Surya, please, sir. Yeah, of course. Surya. Of course, I said it, please, once. As you say, Surya Kumar. Thank you. If you are new here at our platform, please subscribe. Also, remember, please, to share this video. Let us continue. I was asking you, what are we going to do here? Who can tell us what are we going to do here? That is what I need. What are you going to do here? Yes, who can tell us? Yes. Yeah, very good. For those who are new, remember to subscribe. Now, let us continue. We have this kind of exponential. How should we solve that kind of exponential? I need your support. Tell us, please, in the comment. What are you going to do? You see here we have e power x minus, this is 3 over e power x plus 2, which is equal to 0. What is the next step? What are you going to do? Any comment? I need your comment, please, there. What are you going to do? Now here, you see, this is a denominator of this e. But for these remaining numbers, we don't have a denominator. You have to put here 1, yes, and also put it 1 here. Then after, we are going to find the common denominator of this one, e power x, and this one. Now, common denominator, you see, it will be e power x. You see, now we take this e power x over 1 is equal to e power x times this e power x. It is e power x times e power x. You see? Minus. This is minus that you have here. This e power x over e power x remain with 1. Yes? Then you take 1 times this 3. It is 1 times 3. You see? Plus, this is plus, it is this 2, this plus, this e over 1 remaining with this e times 2, it is 2 times e power x, it is equal to this 0. Yes, you see? It was that I was asking you. Let me see another message. Joint, then Gerard. I can do it, please. Explain it, sir. Of course. You can, I know, please. You can do it, don't worry. But I was asking you, how is it? Whether it is difficult or simple. Now, let us continue. We remain with, it is, you have to take this ex times e power x. This is, as I told you, this are the similar base. You have to write one base. We are in multiplication. Yes, when we are in multiplication for exponential, you have to take one base from those two similar base and add their powers. It is e as their base. You take one base because they are both similar. Power x plus x. Now it is e power 2x. You see, this is what we are going to do at this factor. Now let us continue. It is e power 2x minus 3 plus 2 times e power x over e power x is equal to 0. Yes? I think everyone have understandable where this e power 2x came from. Yes? For those who have gone and they come back, I said that this is e x times e power x. Because they are similar base, you take one base and add those two powers and remain with e power 2x. Yes, it is that one. Now at this step, what are we going to do? We have to put one here. You see, we have to put one here and make a cross multiplication. 1 times this and this times to this 0. Finally, we have e power 2x minus 3 plus 2 power times e power x, which is equal to 0. Yes? Now this is our new equation that we are going to solve. Clear? Is another message from someone. Let me see, please. Excuse me. It is someone saying, yes, we can also write a power, lot power 2. Yes, thank you. Thank you, this one, Gerald. Thank you very much. Yes. We can take a power x as a common in 3 and divide. Yes, of course, it is, yeah. It is should be a power of common of those 3 and divide, yeah, of course. Now let us continue. For I remind you, please, for those who are new, remember to subscribe. Let us continue for the next. It is, we are reaching there. Please, my followers from India. My followers from India, please. I like you, please, I obey you, I obey you. In different countries, please, I obey you. Let us continue. We have e power 2x minus 3 plus 2 times e power x, which is equal to 0. Now here, what are we going to do? We are going to arrange from highest degree to the smallest degree. You see here we have highest degree, it is 2. And here we have e power 0x. It is this one, e power 0x. Because e power 0x is equal to, it is e power 0, which is equal to 1. Yes? Now, 1 times this 3 remaining with 3. It is the smallest power, and here this is where we have power of 1. Now, let us continue. We still have, we are going to arrange this from highest to the smallest. Highest one is this one, x plus this one. We have 2, I'm sorry. We have 2. 2 times e x minus 3 is equal to 0. Yes? Now, what are we going to do? You see, this is another exponential which has a form of quadratic equation. Yes? It is exponential equation, but which has a form of a quadratic equation. About this exponential, we are going to solve it quadratically. How? Let's suppose, so that we should remove this e in our equation. We will use it after solving this quadratic equation. Now let's say that h equal to e power x. Because here we have e power x and here we have another one. But here remember, we have e power 0x, where we have 1. 1 times this, we made it with 3. Now, let us continue by saying that we have where there is e power x, we have to put this h. It is h, you see, but square plus, you see, plus 2h, because it is similar to this one, minus 3 is equal to 0. Let us solve this simple quadratic equation. Now, yes, you are going to solve that quadratic equation. Let me see whether there is another message there. Someone has written here message. I can. Yes, sir. In which school or the college you work, and what is the name? So I teach in. Please don't go. Sir, save me. Back up, please. Back. I teach in secondary schools. I teach in secondary schools. Yeah. Also, my name, I am called Waisenze Benjamin. You really know my YouTube channel, it is called Benjamin Mathematics. The one name is my real name, and another name is what I do on YouTube channel. My real name is Waisenze Benjamin. Yes? Now, as I said, yeah, I reply to you, I am a teacher in secondary schools. So, now, those schools that we say senior 4, senior 5, and senior 6, I teach there. So, now join the great factorization. Very good. We are going to factorize. Yeah, very good. You are flowing. I like you. You are going to factorize there. Sir, what is the fee in school you teach? So it is somehow low, but let's discuss in inbox. Yes, we shall discuss inbox. It is somehow, yeah, like that. Another question? Yeah, now let us continue. Please, it is better to tell me how have you seen our lesson? Huh? Am I teaching in the wrong way? How is it? You have to tell us, please. So what is the, yeah, of course, that is, he was asking me. Please, for those who are new, remember to subscribe. Yes? Now let us continue. We are going to factorize as Mr. Save said. Yes, sir? We have h. Yes, this is h square. Now, h square plus 2h minus 3 is equal to 0. We are going to factorize as someone said that. Yes, it was the darkness somehow. Yeah. Another question. Now let us continue, please. For those who are new, remember to subscribe. Now we are going to factorize this one. So there is a trick that we are going to use for factorizing this equation. Yes. How? Now, simple way. We need to take, for example, yeah, we need to have product. Product. Yes. Firstly, let us take a product simply. Product of two numbers, A times B. It will be, yes, equal to this number, minus 3. Yes? Now, also, we take sum of A plus B. It will be plus 2. We are going to find two numbers, and you multiply those two numbers, it will be equal to this C, because here we have A, here we have B, it is C. Yes? Now, A times B, any number that you are going to take is equal to minus 3. And that A plus B, their sum, is equal to plus 2. What are those two numbers? Those numbers should be a factor of this, our quadratic equation. Now I'm asking you, what are those two numbers? I'm asking you, please. As my good students, very good. Very good. The one saying, Stephanie, you are just from, you are a good student. Sir, what is the fees? Yes, you have understood what I told you about fees. Yeah? It is somehow. We should discuss in inbox, please. Inbox, you have to type, or you have to try to me. Let us continue and see those two numbers. Someone, the first have said H is 3 or 1. Now, let us see whether it is true. A times B is equal to 3. Someone should say A times Z is equal to 3. How? Another one should say A times A plus B is equal to 2. You see? Now here, we should say that if I take, for example, A is equal to 3, with plus, yes, times, you see, times minus 1. There's the two numbers. 3 times minus 1. Are they equal to minus 3? I'm asking you, please. I'm asking you. When you are just taking, because there's the two numbers should be a factor of these 3. Yes? Now factor of minus 3 are plus or minus 1, you see, and plus or minus 3. Yes? So these factors, we are going to take those two numbers from these two factors. Now, we have said that I took plus 3 times minus 1. You see, there comes from those two factors. When you take this times minus 1 is equal to this one, right? Very good. Now, come here down. When you take minus 3, it is plus here, plus minus 1. How is the solution? How is the solution here? It is 3 minus 1. It is equal to plus 2. Very good. Here, when we take a plus 3 minus 1 is equal to, because we have different signs. You see, when you have different signs, it means you have to subtract those two numbers and write a sign which is on the biggest number. Yes? Here we have to write the sign which is on the biggest number. The biggest number here, it is 3. It means it is plus this 3. Right? Now let us continue. Another one. For those who are new, please subscribe. How is logarithmic applied in class IV? Mostly logarithmic are applied in engineering. They are applied in engineering, yes, in construction, in electricity, engineers. Also, yeah, I will explain them, please don't worry. Now let us continue. Let us continue. Let us continue. We have, remember, we have seen it is plus 3 and minus 1. Now you have it right. It is plus 3 and do this one times minus 1. Do this one is equal to 0. What we have factorized is h. You have to put h here and h here. It was the simple way that I have told you. In order, I'm going to show you this a simple way. Yes, you have to take those numbers and left of that number, you have to put what you are factorizing that h. Now finally, 8 plus 3 is equal to this 0. These are the factors. Or 8 minus 1 is equal to 0. 8, it will be equal to minus 3. Or 8 will be equal to 1. Now, this is how to do this quadratic equation. Let us continue by, remember we have supposed that we have taken that let h, if I remember, e power x is equal to 8. It is what we have taken. Yes. Now we are going to do for each one. How is the solution? Let me see. I am in deepest. I am in class 12 in Karnataka. Oh, good. Yes, but me also. It is in the class of senior 6. You are in class 12. It is in the class of senior 6. I teach there, please. I teach there. I teach there about integrals. You have it right me, please. I will teach you about integrals. Many things relating to that classes. I'm in that one. So I have test tomorrow, so I have to go. Thank you for your teaching. I will join tomorrow. My birthday is tomorrow. Oh, have a nice birthday, dear my friend from their Karinataka. Yes, yes. Yeah, let me say see you. But let us finish, please. This is a question, and you go. Yes. Now let's go for this one. You see? Now, for here, t equal to 1, we have it is e power x, which is equal to, yes, 2 to t, it is equal to this one. Now, what are you going to do? Yes, join together. Where are you? Where are you from? Please, I wrote it. See you tomorrow. Oh, see you, my friend. I have said that I am from Rwanda in Africa. I am from Rwanda in Africa. Yes, right? Now we have to multiply ln to both sides. It is ln of e power x, which is equal to, now, yes, the one in the question, not the one, ln of 1. So finally, it is now to put x here, ln of e, which is equal to ln of 1. So ln of 1 is equal to 0, but ln of e is equal to 1. Finally, it is 1 x, which is equal to 0. You see, this is a final question 1. Now solution, it will be 0. Yes, this is final equation for how to solve a kind of exponential function. Now let me say thank you for following what I shared with you. Please, it is better to subscribe for those who are new. If you see it is helpful, please try to share them with your colleagues. Yes, let me say thank you. If there is another problem with that or another things that we should discuss, let us discuss together here online. Yes, I am ready, please, to write to you because I have just finished that question. You have to ask me. Yes, that one called John the Great. I wrote it. In. See you tomorrow. Thank you, my friend. But remember to share this video. Remember to share my platform. It is called Benjamin Mathematics. Benjamin Mathematics. Another one, serving joint, joint to get. Where are you from? I am from I am from Rwanda in Africa. From Rwanda in Africa. Yes. Let me please replay your answers, your questions. Let me replay those questions that you are asking me. Yes. Another question. I said I am from Rwanda. Oh, my qualifications. I am I am bachelor in degree, please, in mathematics. This one, I have bachelor. I have a bachelor in mathematics. Yes. Have you catch it well, please? I have a bachelor in mathematics. Please let's do it, please, tomorrow. Let's do it tomorrow. So, but if you just follow my platform, I tried to solve many questions relating to those you're asking. Try to visit my YouTube channel and see what I have done last time. There are many videos that I did about logarithmic, about exponential. Please visit my YouTube channel. Visit it, please. You have to gain more things. If you see there is some difficulties about what you don't understand, it is better try to me. Yes, I'm able. Another question, please. I said the time. It's a time for discussing. You have to discuss what do you need. You have to discuss also. Hey, please remember to share this to your colleagues. Don't forget it. Type there, please, if there is another question. I think you have satisfied. I said that uh, I have a bachelor degree in mathematics. Oh, school timing over here. We start in early morning. It is. It is. Should you see here? In the morning we start. This is 8 o'clock a.m. Yes, we end up. Are you seeing here? It is this one. Yes, 8 o'clock a.m. But we end up 5. It is 5 o'clock p.m. Yes, you see, that's the structure of a school. We start in the morning, 8 o'clock a.m. in the morning, and we end up the lesson at 5 o'clock p.m. nearly evening. Yes, remember today and last day it was on Saturday. Today it is on Sunday. We are in the weekend, but tomorrow we will start on 8 o'clock a.m. But today, now, sorry, we will end up 5 o'clock p.m. Another thing, another thing, please, you have to tell me. It's a time for discussing. It is what I told you. So I think if you try to visit this channel, you will gain me more things. You will gain me more knowledge, please. I think I have explained a different concepts. Even if I am preparing another concept, but try to visit it, yes, and try to share it there. What are the competitive exam over there? Yeah, competitive exam over here. There, firstly, it is mathematics, uh, physics, chemistry, but the main ones which is most helpful in different fields, it is mathematics. Yeah. Yes, another question. Ask me, but for those who are online, please, why can't you participate? Only 7 me. Others try to participate. Please, but every Saturday at this time, every Sunday at this time, try to be online. Try to visit my my live teaching. I always in the weekend teaching live. Don't miss. Yes, the one called. Please, if you are new, try to subscribe. Clear me trigonometry. Please, I have told you, please don't be afraid of trigonometry. I am going to do it for you. But if you need some basic things about trigonometry, while I am preparing another courses, try to visit this my YouTube channel. I have done some concepts relating to trigonometry. Yes, you have to visit it, please. Visit Benjamin. Visit this channel. I have done about mathematics. I have done things about about trigonometric. Visit it, please. Sir, it's 9 past 11 p.m. of night. So can I leave? Oh, dear friend, yeah, you should please, because you told me that tomorrow you have a birthday, also you have many activities that you will perform. So it is better to sleep. I let you please go to sleep. Now we shall meet next time. Yes, I told you every Saturday, every Sunday, I will be here. I will be here for teaching on live. Yes, but every 2 weeks, So every 2 days in a week, I upload different videos. But in the live chat, I try to teach concepts concerning to what you have written here in the comment. But for those things that you have written in the comment, I am going to prepare things. I will come with those things that you have said, yes, and we will explain them to you. Don't worry. In the weekend, but in 2 days per week, I upload two different videos.